Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to link Excel worksheet to PowerPoint. So guys, if you need to insert Excel data in your PowerPoint, so there is easy and simple steps. Just open your file. So as we can see, we have this Excel file. We have some data and we will import this data to PowerPoint. So open PowerPoint and click on insert. Now click on this object icon. Now click on create from file, then click on browse. So select your Excel file which you want to import. Select this box link, then click on OK. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to import Excel data in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.